Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to find IP address of any website using Python. First of all, we need to know what is an IP address. So just Google it. What is an IP address? Click here. IP stands for Internet Protocol. IP address is an address of your network hardware. It helps in connecting your computer to other devices on your network and all over the world. An IP address is made up of numbers or characters. If you want detailed information about IP address, just Google it and read all the post. So I just open my VS Code, create new file with name ip.py. First of all, we have to install socket module in our system. So just follow the command pip install sockets. I already installed in my system, so the requirement already satisfied is showing in the terminal. If you want to install, just type pip install sockets and hit enter. So now we import socket module, import socket as. Here as is a keyword in Python which is used for aliasing. So we can use socket as only. First of all, we create a variable name host name equal to s dot get host name. The get host name method is used to find system name, that is your computer name. I am using print function. The host name with the help of print function we print the host name. The host name is nothing but your computer name. So clear the terminal. Now run the code by using py ip.py. The host name is desktop u3vhkc4. If you want to confirm, so you can do it by just search control panel. Inside control panel there is a option name system and security. Inside system and security, just click on system. So here computer name which is same as host name, right? Desktop hyphen u3vhkc4, desktop hyphen u3vhkc4. The next step is we find IP address. So my IP, the variable, inside that variable just call as dot get host by name method. Inside get host by name just pass host name. With the help of get host by name we can find the IP address of our system using print function. My IP address colon comma my IP. Run the code by ip.py. My IP address is 55.55.55.1. If you want to confirm, just open command prompt. Inside command prompt, just type ipconfig. and hit enter. Config and hit enter. So is the IP address, IPv4 address 55.55.55.1. Done. After that, if you want to find IP address of any website, so just create a variable host equal to inside host facebook.com. Suppose facebook.com, facebook.com, inside print function, the website IP address is colon comma s dot get host by name. Get host by name method which takes host inside it, and now run the code. The website IP address is 69.171.250.35. If you want to confirm another website, so just change it google.com. The IP address of google.com is 172.217.27.206. Instagram.com. So now IP address is 54.80.106.120. Hope you like this video. Please do comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.
Welcome to my house.